guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this colorful look right here. So if you guys are interested on how I complete this look, then just keep on watching. I do want to say that I'm sorry that I've been MIA on here. Haven't been posting much, but now I'm back. So let's get right into this video. So for the palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe Jaclynhill Volume 2. And I'm just placing Living My Best shadow onto the outer crease. And now I'm just placing this shadow My Man onto the middle of that first shadow that we just placed. And just laying those two out. Then I'm taking this shadow right here called Certified, and I'm just placing that onto the inner corners. And then next I'm taking Tempest and just placing that onto the lines, just like how I do like a Smokey wing liner. And then I'm taking the same color again and just packing that onto the outer corners just to smoke it out. For primer, I'm going to be using this Touch in Soul primer, and I really love this. It's not too sticky, like it really leaves your face really smooth. I recommend it. For moisturizer, I'm using the Belief Aqua Balm, and I really love this, using this like on my face. It's such a good moisturizer. I can't believe I haven't used it in a really long time, but I'm so happy that I did purchase it. And for foundation, I'm using the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay, and this is such a great foundation. I really love it. It's really full coverage, and it just like makes your skin smoother, glowy. I really love it. So you guys need to like try this out. For concealer, you guys already know I'm obsessed with this concealer, but it's a Toothpaste multi-sculpting coverage concealer, and it's really full coverage. Like, I love full coverage concealers and foundations, so this one is the best. So I'm going to be using Living My Best and Temptress, and just placing those two onto the bottom of the lashes. To contour my face, I'm using the Makeupshack Silhouette Contour Palette. And if you guys have this palette, you know that bronze is one of the greatest eyeshadow contour that there is right there. I really love using this palette so much. Okay, you guys, so you guys know that I really don't do blush on me, but for this video I am going to be doing it. I fell in love with this blush. So it is a blush. I really don't know the name of it, but I have it list everything down below in the description box. To line my lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. For lipsticks, I'm using the NYX Alejandralupee babydoll, and I'm just packing that onto the middle of, placing that onto the middle of my lips and just laying it out with my finger. But for highlight, I'm using the Anastasiabeverlyhills X Amrezy highlighter. So this is the complete look right here. I hope you guys really liked it, and I do want to just say that I do have a intro, so let me know if you guys like it down below. But I'll see you guys next time on my next video.